Hiya folks, this month our lesson is going to be about the art principle balance. We'll go over what exactly balance in art is, the different types there are along with some examples, and we'll explain a fun activity that lets you work with this principle. Balance in art describes how you apply visual weight to your piece. When I say visual weight, that can mean the size of your shapes and how much space is around them, but it can also be affected by what kinds of colors you use, how your values are distributed, things like that. Now, there are different ways to describe this balance. There's symmetrical balance, which is where your elements are almost identical on both sides of your central axis. There is radial balance, which distributes elements from a central point, so your canvas should look similar both vertically and horizontally. Then there's asymmetrical balance. This is where there is visual weight on both sides, but they aren't equal. This doesn't mean that there is an object on one side and nothing on the other. It just means that one part is more dominant. This type of balance is really handy if you want your viewer's eye to be drawn to a specific spot, like say a featured image or a title on a page layout. Knowing how to work with balance and when to use it will help you control the feeling of your pieces. Using balance can bring a feeling of stability or order, while eliminating it can make your piece feel more skewed or unnerving. It just depends on what direction you want to take or how you want your piece to be viewed. Now, a fun project you can do to practice working with different types of balance is an abstract art piece using basic shapes. Start off with your empty canvas and pick some simple shapes you want to work with. A good combo that gives you a good opportunity for variation is circle, triangle, rectangle, and square. Then you pick the type of balance you want to use, and from there you can start designing your piece. With the shapes you have picked out, just arrange them in different configurations that fit the balance you're using, and feel free to use certain shapes multiple times. You can even play with your colors and spacing to see how that affects the balance. This project can be done in either Photoshop or Illustrator, but it can also be really fun with traditional media like cutout paper shapes. So go ahead and try to make a piece for each of the types of balance: symmetrical, radial, and asymmetrical. When you're finished, be sure to share your creations online and feel free to tag us on Twitter and Tumblr because we love seeing what you guys come up with. So go ahead, have fun, and good luck.